Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the YouTube app. Open it and tap your profile icon in the top right. Once you're in your account menu, go straight to Settings. From Settings, choose History and Privacy. This is where YouTube stores controls for search history. You'll see options to clear search history and pause search history. Tap Clear Search History first to remove stored queries. Make sure you're signed into the account whose history you want to erase, because this applies per Google account. Once in History and Privacy, tap Clear Search History and confirm when iOS asks if you want to delete all searches. This removes queries saved to your Google account. After that, enable Pause Search History so new searches aren't recorded going forward. Pausing prevents future entries across devices where you use the same Google account. If you use multiple signed-in accounts, repeat these steps per account. Also consider clearing watch history. If recommendation to finish, close Settings and test by performing a search. If you don't see recent queries saved, you're done. If history still appears, sign out of the YouTube app and sign back in to refresh account state. Once done, make sure your app is updated. An outdated app can hide history and privacy controls. If problems remain, check YouTube on desktop for account-level controls or reinstall the app. Tip: signing out and back in often resolves sync or cache glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.